Tomorrow is Dragon Boat Festival, and I will spend my festival with my friend in his house in Jiangmen City. I have packed all my baggage and I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up. Together we will drive there. The journey is about 100 miles and it would take about 3 hours to get there. There might be some traffic congestion because a lot of people choose return home or start a travel plan the night before the festival. Today is Dragon Boat Festival and it's near 5 p.m. I just took a nap. Last night I miscalculated the distance of the journey. The true distance is about 200 miles and we drove about 5 hours to get here. This small village is surrounded by mountains, so the landscape is very beautiful.
对这个世界，如果你有太多的抱怨，跌倒了就不该继续往前走。为什么人要这么的脆弱堕落？请你打开电视看看，多少人为生命在努力，勇敢的走下去。我们是不是该知足，珍惜一切，就算没有拥有？还记得你说这是唯一的城堡，随着稻香河流继续奔跑。小时候的梦我知道，小时候的梦我知道。不要哭，让萤火虫带着你逃跑，想见的歌要永远的依靠。回家吧，回到最初的美好，回到最初的那美好。就想放弃，就像我说的，追不到的梦想，换个梦不就得了？为自己的人生鲜艳上升，先把爱涂上喜欢的颜色。下一个吧，功成名就不是目的，让自己快乐快乐，这才叫做意义。多年的纸飞机，现在终于飞回我手里。所谓的那快乐，赤脚在店里最经典，累到累了，躲在水沟被蜜蜂给叮到怕了。谁在偷笑呢？我靠着稻草人，吹着风，唱着歌，睡着了。我期待的从命中更精粹，阳光洒在路上就不怕心碎，珍惜一切，就算没有拥有。还记得你说这是唯一的城堡，随着稻香河流继续奔跑，微微笑，小时候的梦我知道，小时候的梦我知道。
一个不要10人多。我弄了一个这种的去买。
Cũng phóng là
cái gì miệng
ha hàng đây phải đi ra
Tốt trâu à?
Cái xin kẹo rồi kẹo ơi
đây là xì cá đã đây là thầy đây là xì cá lẩu được nè đây là xì cá lẩu
为什么你们这里的豆都要装瓶子呢？
好吗？
装袋子好吗？
好吗又防水，多好。
好高啊！然后依家啦，我老家而家產水，啲嘢嚟知嘅，慢慢嚟知。
生死麵條大票賣，生死麵條大票賣。生死麵條大票賣，生死麵條大票賣。生死麵條大票賣，生死麵條大票賣。
How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? Yes, and how many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, and how many times must the cannonballs fly before they're forever banned? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many times must a man look up before he can see the sky? Yes, and how many ears must one man have before he can hear people cry? Yes, and how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
我们的请龙头仪式正式开始。
好，现在请我们的两方队员将龙头抬到我们龙舟之上，赋予我们龙舟祥瑞之气。
这溃也太黑了吧！即将靠作业逐步行驶。
割麦子的感觉，割韭菜，就抓着那个根，然后稍微往根上去一点点。
你们这种是自己种，然后自己就吃，对吧？就对外销售啥的。
我们园区的话，其实做菜地，其实主要是做什么？就是一个这样子的
生活体验。
就是尽量与自然就是靠拢一点。
是的。
然后我们种菜的话，之所以 浇水比还是说不要用人工浇水了，就想更自然一点点，不做那种喷淋的那种可能方便。所以说我们这边农场有一个专门的一个管理，比如说这一块地，因为我们近期那个管理他没在，他在的话这一块地基本上全收了。就是我们卖的话并不是说卖，就是给我们园区所有上班的员工，然后我们在5点半、6点半他们下班的一个晚高峰，然后我们拿下去2块钱一袋。对，2块钱一袋这样子卖。一袋？对。
把那个菜举起来。
这样子吗
？7 years ago, I wanted to live in a first-tier city, so I came to Shenzhen because I thought the weather was the best one among the first-tier cities of China. At first, I was fulfilled because there were many new things, thoughts, and opportunities, and also more income. But it was accompanied by anxiety. Then I spent a lot of time to think what I want and what is my life for. During that time, I learned about meditation and took a 10-day enclosed course in meditation. Then I found the answer. I realized that most of us are just ordinary people, and so am I. I am now sure that I don't have the ambition to be a rich man. I just want to live in peace and happiness. But to be an ordinary person is also very hard. Spending millions to buy a house, a concrete cage, with huge debts. No one could be happy, no one gives love, and too much anxiety and pressure results in an indifferent society, which is against my heart.
真的好冤啊！我第一次做这种事，就是这边一直在催着我快点走，我加班，我赶回去有事。好，可以求你们了，要我干嘛都可以，好不好？求你们，经济系钱，我不干了，我烦，给他就让他走，我不要了，谢谢你们，我有再也不会烦到你们。呀，冷静点，冷静点。冷静！我疯了！冷静点！没什么事情的。我把身份证。我压力好大啊！没事，每天加班到4、2点，我女朋友没带钥匙，要我去送钥匙。我其实真的不想这样的。啊，你我身份证给你，我抓紧去送钥匙，好不好？好，抓紧去送钥匙吧。我只想哭一下。你是在哪里上班
？I want to escape from the concrete forest and get closer to nature. I used to think to live in a rural area, but it runs in the opposite direction of mainstream policy. Urbanization. It means you don't have many choices. You can just walk in the system. But I'm disgusted with it. The number of rural people is dramatically decreasing, and a great number of villages are vanishing. I've seen a lot of left behind children and the aged. Can't believe it has been happening due to Chinese people highly value family. So I think there is just a way to go. I have to jump out of this game system to experience another culture. It is not an easy decision because I'm not very young. But I have to try no matter if it would be heaven or hell.